Hi students, today we are going to discuss 10th class 14th lesson. What was that? National independence in India and partition 1947. When did we got independence? 1947. When did we got India's partition? That is also 1947. Right? See, in the previous session already we discussed what was the Quit India movement and what is the role of the Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. Right? All those things we discussed. Right? In the previous session. Right? And this session we are going to discuss what are the novel strike, what are the peasant movements, and direct action day. What was the direct action day? And what are the consequences of the after the partition of the India? And finally, the integrated states, which is led by the Mr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. See, the novel movements. The novel movements happened in the Mumbai novel area, right? In the Mumbai port area. Why? Because see, basic things. They need the equality. They need equality. They want the treatment from the those who are the Britishers navies and the Indian navy. The Britishers navy, they thought they are the royal. They are the higher position. They are the higher authority. In any commander level is if you have the capacity, but you couldn't be the appointed by the Britishers. Why? Because they want the Indian has to be work under them, right? So that's why they want the equality. First, they want the equality. Each and every person has to be equality, and you have to see according to their talent, not their by the color or the originated in the country. So first they want to the better equality, the equal equality for the novel, and they want the better food. They want the at least better food. They want the better food and pay, whatever they are receiving the pay. Those who are the Britishers working as a soldier, they getting the pay very high. Those who are the Indians working as a navy, they are getting very low. So that's why they want the equal pay and nice, good, better food. And they want to those who are the captured in the INA. What does mean by INA? Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose made by the Indian National Army, which is finally which was defeated by the England, which are defeated by the Britishers. So those are the captured in the INA. There has to be this kind of novels like in the Mumbai. They demanded they has to be the released. They has to be released only in the on the day. Only 6 members are they get a martial code, and most of the people they were the released. Most of the people they were released. So among them, the agitation, this kind of the naval committee, they also withdraw their forces from the Indonesia. They withdraw their forces from the Indonesia. But finally, Mr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, they went and they made the kind of the agreement within the this kind of agitation, and finally made a sort out. Is finally made a sort out. See, is a Bardoli Iron Man. The Bardoli Iron Man, we call the Sardar of the Bardoli, right? Is now becoming all over the Indians. And today's reason is the birthday. So in the 31st, what was the 31st October, he made a statue of liberty and statue of unity. Sorry, the statue of unity. See, we'll talk about later Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So this is the novel strike committee. This is the novel strike committee, and finally the made by the discussion happened well with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and they execute it. They leave there the movement and against the Britishers. Not only this is the many the kind of the peasants movements happened, the Tabega movements and the Telangana peasants movement. So where the peasant movement happens, so they want to those who are the laid by the debt, those who are the zamindars, they occupied their land. Those who are the landlords, they are given all the lands to capture on their hand. They want to the free land, and also they want to the who's giving the debt to, so they has to the debt free. They has to be want to the debt free. So that's why this kind of the Tabega movement and the Telangana peasant movement were held in the before the we got a independence, end of the independence. Next important one is the direct action day. See, the direct action day happened the 16th August 1946. When 1946. See, the Muslim League, who called this direct action day? Muslim League, right? The Muslim League, Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, they wants the separate country. They want a separate country. They want to the Muslims are the represented, the only Muslim country. We are the Muslim. We want to separate country. Then most of the Muslims also now in India, right? Isn't they are actually not Muslim. They are their forefathers also in Hindus. That's a different matter. But here they want to the Muslim League. They want to the separate country. The demand of the demand of the Pakistan, and they demanded the people. Everyone should come on the road. Everyone people should you come on the road. When the people are the mobilized, when the people are the come on the road, then automatically it will cause for the right. Automatically it will cause for the right. And the many Hindus and Muslims, the riots happen in the many areas, in the many Hindus families. They're looted and the families were burnt and they raped. All these things happened in the only one fella is the stupid decision made by the Muslim League, that is the Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the 16th of August. Is demanded for the Pakistan, but also the requested people has to be come on the road. So that's why this kind of the inhumanity, this kind of the all this allegation happened in the direct 16th of the August. What we call that is the direct action day. So when this kind of all these things happened with the India is automatic started all over the one in the all over the areas, Hindu Muslim rights were the begin is a very highly. That's why then when that time the government viceroy is the Lord Wavell is a change and it come to the Lord Mountbatten. He is the last to come to the Lord Mountbatten, and he said it is the final meeting. He is attended the final meeting with the Muslim League and the INC and those are the kind of remaining parties, and that kind of the agreement, that kind of the company, that kind of the discussion, this kind of the meeting were failed. That kind of the meeting was failed, and after the failing of the meeting, the Mountbatten decided there has to be the India should be partition. The India should be the partition. One is those who are the living the Baluchistan and the northwest front frontier, nowadays we call in Pakistan, and East Bengal. What was the East Bengal? The nowadays Bangladesh. The Bangladesh made formed in 1970 with the help of the India. We call East Pakistan, northwest frontier, and the Balochistan and some part of the area is the Punjab is a Pakistan, and remaining is a India. The decision made by the Lord Mountbatten. Effect of the direct action day. See, automatically they decided either they got independence in the Pakistan got independence the 14th of August and India got independence the 15th of August. But before that they divided. When the country is divided, when one country is divided, then what kind of the consequences were with it? What kind of the consequences were they happen after the partition of India? The partition of India. What kind of happened? See. When the Muslim League this made to the we have to represent our the own community and we want to separate the country. So that's why those who are the living these areas, the West Bengal and the Northwest frontier, Balochistan and the Punjab, they were started the kill. The Muslims and Hindus they started the kill. Those who are the living these areas, Hindus, they were the started killed, they looted, they raped, all these things happened. Those who are in the Hindu populated area, this is a Hindu populated area. On that time, the Muslims were killed, all those things happened. So they started hatred each other. The two community, Hindu and Muslim, started hatred each other, and they started the getting by the killed, raped, what not. This kind of inhuman happened in the both sides in the both community in the both of the area. So the most of the people these places, one place to those who are the living in Pakistan, they have to become to the Hindustan. Those who are living in the Hindustan Muslim, they have to go to Pakistan. The most of the people, almost 1.5 crores. How much now? The 1.5 crores people were displaced. You can see on that time we don't have the proper transport system, we don't have the proper railway system, all those things. But they still made 1.5 crores of the people. They transferred to one place to this place to one place to another place. So many were they killed, many were they get diseases and they died from the diseases. They died from this kind of the climate, they died from the many reasons. The many reasons, most of the people they died. And almost 5 lakhs people, almost 5 lakhs and above 5 lakhs above 5 lakhs people they get they lost their life in the due to this conflict between the partition of the India. When this kind of the decision made was Gandhiji not opposed to the first they said he has to oppose the country, but if Gandhiji wants to the we don't want to the partition of our country, it might be happen, but kind of the some Muslim is very strong on the time in the separate on the community they can made a prohibition. Then after the partition of India, the integrated the states. What are the integrated states? India has 560, almost 560 the princely states. They have 560 princely states, and British given the chance them to you have to join in British. You have to join in the Pakistan, or you have to join in the England, or you have to independent. You have to be independent. All over the 560 among them, the 560 they joined, some of the joined in the Pakistan, some of the joined in the India. But among them only three, that is Kashmir, Hyderabad, and Junagadh. These three princely states they want to become independent. They want to become independent. They doesn't want to join either Pakistan or not India. So with the Kashmir, in the Kashmir 1948, the Pakistan started attacking the Kashmir and they want to capture. So that's why Pakistan, those who are the Kashmir king is Raja Man Singh. They came to the India for the help, and India helped, and we are in under control the Kashmir. We are Kashmir is under control in India, but still they Pakistan occupied the POK, Pak occupied Kashmir we call. And Hyderabad, in the Hyderabad we have a special story. In the 17th September is made in the India, in United India is the 17th September 1948. When 1948 17th September is the Operation Polo. On that time Hyderabad ruled by the Nizam, and Qasim Razvi said one kind of slogan, we can make in the Golconda is the Pakistan flag. This kind of the slogan were made in the Qasim Razvi, which was the Razakar's head. Then after that, only one person, Mr. Nehru, the Mr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel made all those in 360. Also the Kashmir and Hyderabad and the Junagadh. Hyderabad and Junagadh take under control in the Patel and Kashmir. The Kashmir issue in the Kashmir princely state is take control under the Nehru. This take control under the Nehru. This kind of the integrated state is what we are now. We are in the Telangana people. What we are the breathing the air of the India is we have playing the tricolor. If Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel wouldn't be, now we are must be a Pakistan, and it must be a Islamic state. Here is ruled by the Hyderabad, ruled by the Nizam. Hyderabad ruled by the Nizam on that day. So this is the 14th lesson. This is the 14th lesson. I hope you understood. What we learn in this lesson? We learn how the British started for the giving the elections right. When the elections were conducted. Then after the World War should be supported or not. Then we made a Muslim League, and we discussed Muslim League and the Hindu Mahasabha and RSS. Right? Now we discuss with the Quit India movement, which is made by the Gandhiji. Then we have to discuss about the Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, Novel Committee, next Fusion movements, and the next Direct Action Day, next partition and their consequences, and the integrated state of the India. Right? I hope you understood this lesson. In next session, we will meet with the another lesson. Right? Thank you.